Good evening, how is your day? I remain your good friend. So, how are you doing? We bless God for the week, and remember, this is a brand new week. So, guys, it's a brand new week, and I want to, anywhere you're watching me from any part of the nation, please like, share, and comment. Please like, share, and comment. Please, if you have not followed this page, please follow this page so that whenever I drop a video, so that you will get it immediately. So my topic of today is love what you are doing. Love what you are doing. Love what you are doing. I want you to understand. If you love what you are doing, you will reap the benefit of that. Because the secret of every business is attached to the love of that business you have. So, if you have love what you are doing, even though you do not go to school for it, the love you have for it, the spirit of that business, of that thing, will be teaching you the way forward of that business. So, love is powerful. I want you to understand that if you love what you are doing, I want you to understand that business will be open to you. People who have been in that business for years, seeing you, how love you have for that business, they will be behaving you and saying all kind of things that probably you went to somewhere to get some powers for that your business. That is not true. Are you hearing me? See, I want to understand that love controls 80% of us. See, anything you love, anything you are attracted to, I want you to understand that the good things of that thing you are attracted to will come to you. So, love what you are doing. Are you into business? Work. Listen to me. Even if you are working with somebody, take that job as your own. Are you hearing me? Take that job as, and if you take it as your own, I want you to understand there will be a difference and change in that business, in that work. Content creator, please. If you love content creators, your ideas will be coming from nowhere. Are you hearing me? You will not need to be copywriting other content creators messages. Ideas will be coming to your mind before you say, okay, what will I post now? God will drop ideas because of the love you have for it. So